Hi, I'm Judd Harris. I'm a director at Indigenous Management Group and I'm a STELR ambassador. I grew up in Trigg, a coastal suburb. Once I finished high school, I took a year off to go and travel and actually decide what I wanted to do. I travelled Europe with a friend he became an architect and I became an engineer afterwards. So I think the landscape really inspired choice and solidified my interest in engineering. Following my degree, I received a sponsorship from multiple organisations that allowed me to go and study at Cambridge University. As a STELR ambassador, I volunteer my time to go and tutor young students that are interested in science and maths. I try to use my strengths in STEM to help other people in education. I really want to give back because I've received a lot through my scholarships, through the generosity of different organisations to send me overseas. It was really important for me to be able to provide something back to the community and especially the Aboriginal community. Having a STEM background just allows me to effectively do my work, all the things that are done on the back end. It allows me to see a situation, see a challenge and be able to know what process I need to take to be able to deal with that problem. There's a lot of opportunities for Indigenous students that are interested in STEM. There's a lot of support that is ever growing. There's a lot of programs from both at the high school level and at university. STEM is really important for kids in school to learn because it sets them up for the future and for the emerging economy. I've found going down the STEM path has been really rewarding for myself and I would highly recommend it to anyone in the upper high school who is looking to go into those fields in the later studies.